Welcome back everybody, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you how to replace this hinge swivel on your pair of QC35s. They often have a failing point right in here where these tabs wear out, causing your ear cup to spin freely for however long it likes, possibly twisting your main internal wire, causing further damages. So to prevent that and having your unit operating functionally normally again, we'll be replacing this. I'll be doing the right side today. To start off, ensure your headphones are turned off. Flip it over and take your ear pad off. You do this by slowly pulling back and it just pops right out of place. Put that to the side, we'll be putting that back on later. To take this mesh off, there's going to be glue right here and right here. So we carefully go under it and work it out, up and out. Put that to the side, and next we'll be taking out 3 screws. I'll be using a 1.5mm screwdriver Phillips head. Right here, here, and here. We remove those 3 and we'll be back. Next we go over to the back and your ear cover should pop right off. Place that to the side as well. Next I like to remove the power button. These tend to fail often. You can watch our power button repair video to replace yours. You just follow the same procedure here. We sell these on our marketplace, so feel free to pick that up if you need. I also like to remove these 2 rubber pieces just so I don't lose them in the process of repairing. So we place those to the side as well. Next, there's going to be a wire on this side, so I like to start with this side by popping this panel out of place. You slowly pry up, careful, make sure this is aligned, otherwise, because I'll show you later the latching mechanism on these. So if you keep it pried up straight like this, it'll pop right out of place. Don't give too much pressure, but enough to just pop it right out. And if you see what I mean, there's that hole right there where this thing pops in. Next, we just go over to the other side, keeping it straight again, prying up on it, popping it out. Careful not to pull this side too far back because there is a wire in there. Next, you unscrew the 2 screws right there using the same 1.5mm Phillips head screwdriver. If you're interested in any of these tools, we'll have it on our website, linked down below. Place these screws to the side. Make sure you're keeping track of everything, but I'll walk you guys through the assembly process, so don't worry about that. Next, you can kind of put that to the side, pop your inner panel out, and this one will just slide down from the bottom. Careful with the wires not to damage it. Place that to the side, grab the one with our replacement unit. You can reuse your inside panels, those don't have much to do with the functionality of the clip, because that's in there. Put it on the same way you took it off to make sure everything is aligned and your swiveling function works properly. Once you slip it on, grab your inside panel. Before that, take your wire away. Next, grab your inside panel. Place it on the same way it was on earlier. I start with the side with the wire just to ensure the wire is getting held in place, and then snap the other side in as well. Next, we'll screw this back in using those same 2 screws. Next, start by putting the side with the wire in first, ensuring that this is parallel to this, to the ear cup. Pop it in. Next, you just go over to the other side, carefully work it in, and pop that side in. We're almost done here. Next, don't forget about your 2 rubber pieces you took off and your power button. Just simply slide those on. It has a notch in here which aligns with that notch, so you shouldn't have any problems. This is all pretty straightforward. Same with here. There's a little little notch here. It goes right under the board and stays in place. Now that you've done that, don't forget your power button. Put that on. And then grab your cover and place that over gently, ensuring it lines up with the power button. Next, while holding the cover, flip it over, grab the 3 longer screws that we removed using the same 1.5mm Phillips head screwdriver. And we just put it back in. These 3 they're going to be the longer ones, and they're not going to be the pointy tip. You just screw those in. Don't over tighten these because it is going through plastic into a little piece of metal on the cover, and some of the spots are even plastic. So you just ensure that it's tight. Don't go overboard because then you have the possibility of breaking something, which you wouldn't want to do on these expensive headphones. Next, grab your mesh. Sometimes you can reuse the same tape, sometimes you can just throw another double-sided tape on, but this seems fine for now. Just pop it on, aligning it with the curvature of that. Press it down there. Grab our ear pad. I start locating the middle of the top, and then I put that into the top clip. Next, I work around slowly, and once you've done that, you're done. If you need ear pads or any of these tools, feel free to go down in the description below. We sell all those on our website. This has been Andy with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Enjoy your headphones and have an excellent day.